What's the simplest way to start earning an income, a real income today online? The answer is affiliate marketing, hands down. My name is John. I am the cash flow veteran. I'm building a community of other cash flow veterans that are out there helping people secede from the system. And I wanted to share with you real quick today on a program that you can get 4 streams of income ready to go. Now, before I do that, one of the things that you can find out, you can go to YouTube and you can look up affiliate marketing training right now, and you can find a ton of great free resources that are out there. But I'm going to ask you to actually click on the link below and watch the video that's there and actually pay into a system that's going to connect you not just to one, but to 4 income streams right away, where you could just follow the simple steps and start making money today. The thing is it does cost a little bit. Now, why would I say that there's a free resource out there, but this one would cost a little bit just to get started? A very small investment in order to get started earning money from 4 income streams today. And the answer is they have an automated system. The one thing that you're not going to get from the free resources, they'll be able to tell you some of the how-tos of how to get there, but they don't have all the automated system or the back-end traffic grabbing stuff. You haven't gone through all the testing where the company that I'm talking about has already done all the testing for their different video sales letters, for their Facebook sales letters. They have multiple ways of being able to go about doing that. And the one thing that you have to do is do the simple steps that can get you started, understand a little bit about what's the effort that you're going to have to take, and it's not much. It's doing something as simple as this, making a quick video and throwing it on social media, and then being consistent with it over time. That's really the magic behind affiliate marketing, is being able to put your message out there consistently. And that's how you can drive a lot of organic traffic to your website, to your link. You don't need all this stuff. You just need the link that you have and the ability to get your message out there to drive that traffic. That's as simple as that. But having all of the automated system on the back end with all the proven funnels ready to go is why this system works so well in the way that it does. So with that, click the link below and head over, watch the video that they're going to have for you, and go ahead and get signed up to get your 4 streams of income plugged in to your ability to make money today. Take it easy.